Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 1.9, Problem 10. This is Section 1.9, Problem 10. It says write the following using exponential notation. So we have 4 times 4 times 4 times 5 times 5 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 again times 10 times 10. There's a lot of numbers being multiplied together. So first let's start with the 4s. How many 4s are being multiplied together? There are 3 4s being multiplied together. So that would be 4 to the third power times, then we'll do the 5s next. There are 2 of those, so I will write that as 5 to the second power, then times the 7s. There are 4 7s, 1, 2, 3, 4 7s, so that would be 7 to the fourth power, times finally the 10s. There are 2 10s, so that would be 10 to the second power. So that answer would be 4 to the third power times 5 to the second power times 7 to the fourth power times 10 to the second power.